Mocking Python function based on input arguments. We have been using mock for Python for a while. Now, we have a situation in which we want to mock a function. Normally, the way to mock this would be, assuming foo being part of an object. Even if I call foo a couple of times, I can use Now, I am facing a situation in which I want to return a fixed value when the input parameter has a particular value. So if let's say my underscore param is equal to something, then I want to return my underscore cool underscore mock. This seems to be available on Mockito for Python. I have been searching on how to achieve the same with mock with no success. Any ideas?
If side_effect_func is a function, then whatever that function returns is what calls to the mock return. The side_effect_func function is called with the same arguments as the mock. This allows you to vary the return value of the call dynamically, based on the input. This URL
as indicated at Python mock object with method called multiple times. A solution is to write my own side_effect. That does the trick.
Side effect takes a function, which can also be a lambda function, so for simple cases you may use
If you want to return a fixed value when the input parameter has a particular value, maybe you don't even need a mock and could use a dict along with its get method. This works well when your fixed output is a mapping of input. When it's a function of input, I'd suggest using side_effect as per Amber's answer. You can also use a combination of both if you want to preserve mock's capabilities, assert _called _once, call _count, etc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.